Hi everyone, I'm Heidi. I am at Valley Hope today. I am here with Dr. John Siebert and Dr. Patrick Hall. Thank you so much for having us here today. Tell us a little bit about Valley Hope.
Yeah, Valley Hope is a nonprofit substance use disorder treatment organization. We've been treating patients for almost 50 years now. We provide detox level services, residential and outpatient.
And I know addiction is often tied to the family, like it's a family disease. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, for starters, there's a strong genetic component to addiction. We actually think about 50% of the risk of developing a substance use disorder, about 50% of that is related to genetics. So very strongly family tied.
If the person's in a program, I know it still affects the family. What can they do? What should they do?
Yeah, it really does affect the family. In addition to the genetic piece of it, anybody in a family who has a substance use disorder, no matter how healthy the family may be, it really does affect each person in that family. And so it's so important that the family understands the disease and that they also come alongside the patient during the treatment process, because we know that that improves outcomes.
They're right here. They're tied in. I mean, maybe not here specifically, but they are tied into the program and the treatment process.
Yes, they are. You know, and it's really important for a family member who has somebody in their family struggling with this to not to blame, you know, not to shame, to educate themselves about the disease itself. I think that will go a long way to help them, and then also to help the patient find a reputable treatment organization like Valley Hope, ones that have credentialed counselors, nurses, and physicians. One who's been in business for a long time, who are fully credentialed like Valley Hope. And then Valley Hope has a lot of different ways to help families. They have counselors, family sessions, family lectures, all those kinds of things that we find is very helpful for families to be part of.
Perfect. Thank you so much for having us. Check out Valley Hope. I'm Heidi Ducato. This is Tulsa Living.